Pick up this Blue Streak Metallic Certified 2009 Toyota Matrix, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 14,722 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.